Exploring the backyard. One sunny morning, I decided to explore my backyard. I grabbed my magnifying glass and put on my explorer hat. I found a trail of ants marching across the grass. They were all carrying tiny bits of food. Then I spotted a butterfly resting on a flower. Its wings were so colorful. I followed it as it flew from flower to flower. I also found a big rock, and when I lifted it, I saw tiny bugs crawling underneath. They were so busy with their little bug jobs. After a while, I sat down and listened to the sounds around me. Birds were chirping, and the wind was blowing through the trees. Exploring the backyard was like going on a little adventure. I discovered so many cool things just by looking closely at nature. I love being an explorer and can't wait to see what I find next time.